If you own a 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150, whether it's the standard model, Raptor, or even the Lightning, and you're looking for serious truck bed protection without spending a fortune, this might be exactly what you need. Today we're reviewing the Gator EFX hard tri-fold tonneau cover for the 5 feet 7 inches bed. Is it worth it? Let's break it down. First impressions. This is a hard folding tonneau cover made with heavy-duty aluminum panels. It has a low-profile design that sits flush with the truck bed rails, giving your F-150 a sleek, factory-installed look. The panels feel solid and durable, not flimsy like soft roll-up covers. It also features a black powder-coated finish that resists scratches and corrosion, which is perfect for tough weather conditions across the U.S. This specific model is designed for 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150. Including Raptor, including Lightning 5 feet 7 inches short bed configuration. The fit is precise, and once installed, it lines up cleanly with the tailgate and bed rails. Just make sure you select the correct bed size before purchasing. Installation is one of the biggest advantages here. No drilling required. It comes with clamp-on installation hardware, and most people can install it in about 30 to 45 minutes with basic tools. The instructions are straightforward, and once tightened down properly, it feels secure and stable. That's a big plus if you don't want to modify your truck permanently. Now let's talk protection. Because this is a hard aluminum tri-fold cover, it offers significantly more security than soft covers. When your tailgate is locked, the cover is locked too, helping protect tools, gear, or luggage stored in your truck bed. It also provides solid weather resistance against rain, snow, and dust. The integrated seals help prevent water intrusion, though like most covers, extremely heavy rain may allow minimal moisture in. The tri-fold design allows you to open one section for partial bed access, fold it twice for more space, or fully open it for maximum cargo capacity. When fully folded up, it gives you nearly full bed access while still staying attached to the truck. It's lightweight enough to manage but sturdy enough to handle everyday use. This makes it practical for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and daily drivers. Overall, the Gator EFX hard tri-fold tonneau cover strikes a great balance between durability, security, and affordability. If you want better truck bed protection, a clean, low-profile look, easy DIY installation, stronger security than soft covers, this is a solid upgrade for your 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150. Check the link below for current pricing and compatibility. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your truck model in the comments.